And we have some breaking news coming in. Ananya Pandey, who was supposed to appear before the NCB today for her third round of questioning, is skipping the summons. She won't appear before the agency today, and as per NCB sources, she has requested the NCB for further day due to personal commitments. The NCB, meanwhile, has accepted her request to issue her fresh summons for another date. Let me now go across to Yesha, who's also joining us live. Yes, Yesha, the latest that we're also picking up from our NCB sources is that she has requested the NCB for a further date due to personal commitments.
That's right. So what we saw was Ananya Pandey was summoned for the third time in a row today. It was at around 11 was when we'd expected her to be at the NCB office at Ballard Pier. We are here right outside her residence at Bandra. But what we saw was later on we were informed that she would be visiting NCB office only around 2 p.m. because NCB was busy with the affidavit that they were filing at the Sessions Court. But now what we've just got to know is that Ananya Pandey has asked for the summons to be postponed because of certain personal commitments, and NCB has in fact obliged, and a further date for the summon would be issued by the NCB. They have not in fact clarified as to when she would be summoned again, but as of now, because she said it's a personal reason, and this was in fact informed by the NCB sources that they will give her a further date for questioning, because she was questioned twice in a row, and we saw that there were several angles which had come out as a part of this questioning. So we saw that right from the WhatsApp chats to financial transactions was what was the point of interrogation for Ananya Pandey for the last two summons when she was called by the NCB. Now her WhatsApp chats pertain to her chats with RN Khan, wherein there was a mention of drugs twice in the WhatsApp chats. Now these WhatsApp chats are 3-year-old, and the NCB was trying to understand the entire links to this conversation. But yesterday we in fact found out from my NCB sources that as a part of the summon that was issued to her today, there would be a financial transaction links that also could have been questioned to her, because NCB is not looking at financial transactions just by Ananya Pandey or by RN Khan, but they're looking at the larger international drug nexus, like it was mentioned by the NCB right from day one, and they were trying to understand the financial transactions in this case, which is why third summon was in fact issued to her. Now this third summon also was because there were discrepancies in the first two questioning lines when she was called, because first time when she was called, she happened to also mention that she was not aware of what drugs are. In fact, she was not aware of ganja or weed, and she actually knew of her friends taking joints in some get-together, and also she had particularly denied that she was supplying any kind of drugs to RN Khan. She just said that she had connected RN to someone whom she knew could provide the drugs, and which is why we saw that a third round of questioning was required by the NCB, and which is why she was summoned today. Yes.